For many, cars represent more than just a mode of transportation, they are symbols of cherished memories and family history. This is certainly true for the Blumencranz family and their beloved Mercedes-Benz 280 3.5 Convertible. After being stored away for 3 decades, this classic beauty has been brought back to life through an extensive restoration, emerging even more stunning than when it first rolled off the production line. The story of this iconic Mercedes-Benz began in 1969 when Roger Blumencranz, the family patriarch, spotted the car at a dealership during his daily commute. Though he couldn't afford it at the time, the image of the car lingered in his mind. The following year, he returned to the dealership, purchasing not one, but 3 Mercedes-Benz vehicles, including 2 280 3.5 convertibles. One of these, a gorgeous brown model with a tan top, soon became a family heirloom. For Roger's son Eric, the car quickly became a beloved companion. Every Saturday, father and son would spend hours washing and maintaining the vehicle, creating lasting memories. The car became more than just a vehicle, it was a symbol of their bond. For 17 years, Roger's wife drove the car, making countless memories along the way. But eventually, the car was put into storage, where it would remain for the next 30 years. Despite the family's desire to restore the car, the right time never seemed to come until the COVID-19 pandemic. With Eric's attention to detail, the decision was finally made to restore the car to its former glory. The family turned to the experts at Arthur Bechtel Plastic Motors in Germany, where the meticulous restoration began. Eric oversaw every step of the process, eagerly receiving updates and photos from the team working on the car. The restoration was a significant undertaking. The leather interior had dried out, and rust had begun to damage the car's floor. But despite these challenges, the result was nothing short of remarkable. The Mercedes-Benz 280 3.5 Convertible emerged from the restoration looking brighter and more beautiful than ever before. When Eric's mother saw the car for the first time post-restoration, it moved her to tears. This vehicle had been her second identity, as it was the only car she had ever owned. While the 3.5-liter V8 engine was never about speed, it always represented the pinnacle of luxury and driving pleasure. Though its performance may not be as fast-paced as modern cars, its charm and legacy have made it an enduring symbol for the Blumencranz family. Roger, who has owned over 30 Mercedes-Benz vehicles in his lifetime, still considers the 280 3.5 to be the crown jewel of his collection.